Hello, to change ringtone on your Xiaomi Poco X7, first of all you have to go into your settings, then go down and go into sound and vibration, and here we have the ringtone. We go in here and you will be forwarded to the application called Themes, and here you can find a lot of different sounds to download to change your ringtone. But you can also go into My Accounts right here and go into ringtones, and you can find here the factory installed sounds that comes like with your phone. And here you can select the sound to take a preview to check it if you like it, and simply press apply, select the ringtone, and as you can see right here, here's the little phone icon, which means that this is already set as a ringtone. Here you can also check that right here in the sound and vibration options. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.